Hi, it's Mike from Crystal Lake again. Hey, I'm going to tell you a little bit about us that you probably know, but if you don't, you should. We have always been a place that likes to grow weird stuff or find different things or be the one that grows what other people don't or can't. That's kind of in our DNA. Way back, my dad started searching stuff all over the world and smuggling things home. I think the statute of limitations has passed, so I can tell you that. We've always grown unusual and hardy plants, things that you can be successful with, but sometimes we don't know that until we try. So we're trying a bunch of new things this year, and we thought I'd clue you in on a couple of things. Everybody's into hummingbirds lately, and we're trying a bunch of new hummingbird plants. The kufias are specifically successful in that. Here's one called honey bells that we'll have a few of. I got another one called hummingbird lunch that I think is going to be interesting. I'm growing a salvia that's going to end up being a hanging salvia. It's like a black and blue salvia. They don't look like much now because it's April, but you wait and see. We won't know how great they are until we try them, and that's what we love about you guys. You try stuff. We are suckers like you. We fall for the things that are pretty, like we're trying all kinds of new petunia colors here this year. We'll see if the plants hold up and are strong. I'm trying some of the newer varieties of some of the garden gerbers that look like they're going to be fun. They're supposed to be potentially hardy in this area. We'll see. And then there's always cool stuff. We can't help it. We're suckers for a good name. Here's a silver little foliage plant, Chrysocephalum. It's called bedhead. And seeing this on larger pictures, that sounds like an apt name for the plant. We like plants we can't pronounce. This is Pitylotus Joey. It's an Australian plant. It's been pretty successful out there, but I've never grown it. We're giving it a try this year. You guys know we love dipladenias, and last year we had great success, and we really like the yellow sunbeam dipladenia. It's been a great grower in hot sunny spots. This year, super secret pre-release, I was able to smuggle out a couple of Bluephoria dipladenia. It's blue. It's kind of a mauvey purpley blue, but right now they're only this big. So we have some trial plants, and I can't guarantee anyone will be able to get any of these, but if you show up regularly, your chances are good that you'll find something out there that you've never seen before that's going to be fun and exciting to grow. Hope to see you. Carver's open. We're starting now. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.